Well, hello everyone and my YouTube subscribers. Welcome back to the Maniacal S10 channel. Today, being that it's a rainy day, it's a somber day and not doing a whole lot of anything. Been out in the shop, and for the bench top transmission stand for my Power Glide, I decided to experiment a little bit and take two more of the bedding adapter bracket, which is a mild carbon steel, on one here a device, and all the inside here is hollow, as you can see. That's what I made the brackets for the diff bracket and for the big block Chevy tunnel ram bracket. Now, to make the hole, which I don't have a floor drill press, I had to do this by hand. A bit rough, but I succeeded. What you need to do is right about in this area right here, center of, but down a bit, center punch, and then you'll need tools you'll need, if I can focus this, 17/64 drill bit, half-inch drill bit, and a 3/4 drill bit. You need to drill through the top, and it's a bear, the way I had to do it. You drill that in here to make the bottom hole. And this is what the bracket looks like before I start doing anything to it, except I took the plastic end caps off of it. Don't need them. This stuff works really good for stuff that I work with and make. Now, on to the bracket. Okay, I bolted upside down onto these two brackets. I drilled the hole where I marked on the tunnel ram where the carburetor's bolt onto. I wasn't sure about it's a dual bolt pattern on the tunnel ram. You've seen that in the previous videos. So I used the outer one, drilled a hole through these two brackets, and had some extra bolts and hardware laying around. You can use the carburetor studs, or I happen to have bolts because I don't have the studs. And from upside down, if I get this to do it for you, you can see one bolt there and one bolt there. That's all we need. I had to shim it a bit because the bolts was bothering me out in the carburetor flange of the tunnel ram. And so it wouldn't scratch up the mating surface, the carburetor to the tunnel ram, I used some rubber matting that you would put in a closet or fork, knife, kitchen utensil drawer, keep things from sliding around. Keep the intake from getting scratched. You don't want scratches in this aluminum because it don't like to seal good, or it won't seal, depending on how deep it is. But the reason I made this is, and on other previous videos I've done, it makes it a lot easier, simpler. I don't have to fuss and fight the intake on a bench like I did the first time. I only port matched 1/2 to 1 inch inside. Makes it a lot easier to do this. Now this carbide cutter and the water jacket is the one I used, 3/8 drill, and just like I kept going over it. Once you paint this, make that line from the gasket, which I used a Fel-Pro gasket, and just cut to the line. Don't go any further. All I did was port match. It's not CNC by no means. That's how I do it. It's a bit crude, but effective. And all you need to do is unbolt it, turn this around, and bolt it to the other side, where it'll be facing you. Or if you got the bench to where you can do it, just walk around the other side to do it. It's up to you. Other side's been done. Now I'm going to attempt to do some of this one-handed, of course. So you can see something here at different angles. Now if I can get this to steady good enough, I'm going to that'll hold for now. You get a better angle, better look at what you're doing. Does a really great job of doing what I wanted to do. That is going to give breaker fall, but I wouldn't put anything else heavier on this. This is just for the tunnel ram and intakes. I have not made the adapter plate for the small block Chevy intake yet. I will do that in another video. This is just for the tunnel ram. Now I haven't tried a single carb tunnel ram because I don't have one, but I'm darn sure that I get this to work the same way, just a few more modifications and a small block, some other modifications to make this all work. And there you have it. Now we're going out to the Maniacal S10 garage. Told you to bring an update on the weight factor on my transmission bracket engine stand setup. Now, I still have a chain hooked up to the chain hoist just to be on the safe side on this, but I don't need it. Just did it at first just to make sure. Excuse the noise in the background. Garage door open and it's been raining. It's wet, of course, being raining. And we'll give you a second here. This transmission is the Power Glide. And right at approximately 100 pounds, the two 4x4s are combined 10 pounds. So there's 110 pounds approximately on it. The differential, the whole rear end, I'm guesstimating it at 250, 300 pounds. Now the stand itself is an engine stand. It's at 500 pounds. So the differential, the whole rear end, will hold on there. Everything will hold. But I'm going to show you here in just a second. Now when I get to go down, that should do it. Nope, a little more. Thanks for your patience. I'm doing this all one-handed, so it takes a little extra time. And it is not quite, but I'm really close. Now let's see if I can get this. Voila. Transmission is free sitting on the rear end bracket. Approximately 110 pounds. I have no doubt it'll hold my differential. When I take it back out of my truck, the Maniacal S10, I'll put it on there and I'll show you this. Now, there's some of the scrap run I had, more bedding pieces, good high carbon, low carbon steel. Here's what I've done to make the bracket for the axle tubing. As you can see, same setup right there. Except I left that one hooked up so you can see where that fits. And this piece right here is rubber, just to help give a little bit more grip so it don't want to slip, but tighten it up. But these are the OEM U-bolts that's going to hold it all together. That's how this fits. Nothing welded, nothing bolted, except the U-bolts holding everything together. And them brackets I took one, cut 2 pieces out of it, drilled the holes in the slots, and there you are. And of course, the scrap extra tubing. That's probably about 8 pounds right there. So there you guys are. That's how it works, that's how it's done. Now I have a little trivia question. For us old school guys and younger people, younger mechanics, gearheads, do you by chance know what this is? Study it over, look it over, and get back with me and tell me what it is. Of course I know what it is. I'm just trivia question to find out. Okay? It's for the old school vehicles. So there you are. See if you know. You'll probably Google it, whatever. But let me know what you think or what you know that it is, okay? So once again, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. For learning something, always be safe. Extra caution, extra safety never hurts. So bye for now. Have a great one. Please like and subscribe and tune back in. Other videos coming up. Thanks a lot once again from the Maniacal S10 channel. Thanks. Have a great day and be safe. Bye.